Good morning, student. Today we'll start with our topic. Continue with our topic business environment. We'll discuss about components of business environment. Now, there are five components of business environment: economical, technological, legal, social, political. Now, firstly, economic environment. Now, economic environment consists of economic system. There are three systems: socialist, mixed, and capitalist. So what are prevailing in the country? Like take an example of Ireland. Ireland is socialist economy. Now in social economy, all decisions what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce are taken by the government. In mixed economy, that is India, like for defense, some for social upliftment, it's taken by government, and for other it's taken by the private entrepreneur. Now in capitalist economy, all the, like take an example of America, it's capitalist economy, all the decisions are taken by the entrepreneurs. All the three component economic environment influence business to a large extent. They may create threats or offer opportunity to the business, and businessmen must timely scan the forces of economic environment so that threats may be avoided and opportunity can be created and may be encased. Now, major elements of economic environment are economic systems such as social economic, capitalist economic, and mixed economic. Economic policy like import-export policy. Like last month only, India banned import from China. So demand for China product has come down. At the same time, Chinese government has been affected. Chinese country has been affected. China has been affected by this. So this is import-export policy. Now taxation policy. Like on 17 July 2018. Um, uh, 2018 our taxation policy was changed, GST was launched, so that is taxation policy. Then industrial, what is the industrial policy of the country? How our government is are promoting industries or not? Like take an example, only in the month of May, our finance minister Sitharaman gave crores and crores of rupees for industrial development. Now economic condition, what are the economic condition? Like national income, general price level, rate of interest, like in today's scenario, rate of interest has gone down, so we have to look for it. Now impact of economic environment in business: a decrease in bank interest rate significantly increases the demand of goods and vice versa. If rate of bank interest rate is has gone down, so people will reduce the saving. At the same time, they will raise loan from the bank. It will increase the demand for the goods. A rise in income of the people leads to increase in demand of goods because standard of living increases, and high inflation increases the cost of business. Now social environment. Social environment is the society which we are living. So social environment consists of social forces like tradition, values, social trends, fashion, wishes, hopes, level of education, standard of living, etc. All these social forces have impact on business, and businessmen cannot overlook the forces of social environment. Like take an example, during Guru Parv, the demand for Dona Patla goes up. During Eid ul Fitr, demand for milkmaid goes up. During Hindu festival, demand for milk and sweets goes up. Or take an example, in some parts of UP, girls, people are conservative. Girls are not allowed to wear Western dresses. So these are the social trends. Now major elements of social environment are your tradition. It refers to social practices that have lasted for decades, such as Diwali, Eid, Eid ul Fitr, Christmas, Guru Parv, etc. Values refer to moral principles prevailing in the society, such as freedom, social justice, equality, etc. Then social trend, it refers to general change in development of the society, such as health and fitness trend among urban dwellers. Like take an example of your sanitizer. Now demand for sanitizer has gone up. The impact for social environment is a large number of festivals in India provide opportunity for various businesses. Individual freedom is a value which creates freedom of choice in the market. Social justice is the value which creates the social responsibility of business. Equality is the value which emphasizes that an enterprise must give equal remuneration to male and female employees for the same work. Health and fitness trend has created demand for gyms, mineral water sector. Now your technological environment. Technological environment, take an example of your mobile phones. This technology changing at a very faster rate. So that's why mobile phone demand for mobile phone, laptops have, electronic gadgets have gone up. Technological environment consists of innovations of new techniques to produce goods and services and operating the business. Technological changes bring something new and better for customers. They create threat for some businesses and offer opportunity for others. The businessman must have a close eye on technological changes taking place in his field. In case of businessman understands the changes when in time he can achieve his objective, otherwise the very existence of business is threatened. Now major elements of technology environment: discovering of new ways of producing a product, like when power looms came, the handloom industry was in loss. Discovering new methods of operating the business, like your e-business. This is a new business. Now impact of technology environment business: with the advent of television in the market, the cinema and radio industry were adversely affected. With the arrival of photostat machine in the market, the carbon paper industry suffered a setback. With the entry of synthetic thread in the market, the cotton cloth industry was badly affected. The digital watches have almost eliminated the market of traditional watches. So these are the various ways how technology changes. Now, thank you.